dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The governor of Plateau State, Cabals, said that President Muhammadu Buhari left the poor economic for President Bola Tinubu. Moving on after this, we have Bola, the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of Economy, said that CBN printing of 22 trillion under Muhammadu Buhari's administration fueled inflation. Alright, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell so that whenever our news drop, you go be the first. My people, as they break na different story now would they hear. My people not be small matter. My people, the governor of Plateau State, Cabals, has lamented the economic hardship being faced by Nigerians, and he has blamed the situation on the last administration led by President Muhammadu Buhari. The governor of Plateau State noted that President Bola Tinubu inherited the worst performing economy of Nigeria from President Muhammadu Buhari since the country started its democratic experiment in 1999. He said that we are at a very difficult junction in the history of this country, and he is an advocate that after the election, we forgot politics and faced governance. Jonathan left empty treasury. Buhari left poor economy after 8 years. Another APC president will find another excuse to give as they keep sinking Nigeria without mercy. The funny part is that Yorubas are defending this man the way Hausa defended President Muhammadu Buhari. The man who claimed to have built Lagos can't even fix transport, let alone electricity or our depreciating naira. After President Bola Tinubu leave power, they will still tell us that President Bola Tinubu left bad economy for incoming president. Same story every dispensation, just like the same story when Buhari took over from Jonathan. Accountability is about telling Nigerians what Buhari left for his administration and not using different aids. Why didn't he publish what was handed over and received by this administration? And you expect people to believe and take them serious? Did they play? Trace it back to the colonial master. Let's start from there. Same way Buhari blamed Jonathan all through. They should just go down to work and leave opinion-making business to journalists. During President Muhammadu Buhari's regime, they said he corrected the messes Jonathan made. So how come they came about telling us that President Muhammadu Buhari left poor economy for President Bola Tinubu? All these flimsy and watery excuses don't tire Nigerians. President Bola Tinubu gave us Buhari. He campaigned vigorously and told us that he will hit the ground running. Now waiting they happen. People they suffer. That is the truth. The amount servicing their salary, fuel subsidies, and other overhead costs have entered alarming stage since Jonathan's government asked the finance minister, but nothing was done drastically to address the problem to the root cause. Government was borrowing to pay salaries, pay off subsidies, and looting was also ongoing as it was from the beginning. Innocent citizens are paying for the years of bad governance and treasury looters' effects. I pray government address promptly issues of food price and hunger measures. It's vital at this point. Government should use churches, mosques, school, workplace, and register social cultural organizations as medium to distribute food, not money. They should encourage the citizens with food. So these people should not come out and start taking turns to say the same thing, as if they have been paid or they promised them money to come and say the same thing. Nigeria doesn't even care about President Bola Tinubu inheritance. Even Tinubu itself doesn't care. He said he applied for the job. So even though he stole the mandate, he said, "Don't pity me." So why are these people coming out to give flimsy excuses to Nigerians? I wonder why they are coming out to talk on behalf of the current government, as if the president didn't know what happened during President Muhammadu Buhari's tenure before he decided to be our president. Enough of this excuse. He should fix the economic situation of the country. That is what Nigerians want to know now. That is what they're after. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of Economy, Bola, said that the 22.7 printed by the Central Bank of Nigeria through Ways and Means overdraft for the federal government from 2015 to 2023 under former President Muhammadu Buhari threw the country into the current inflations. Bola, who made this lamentation on Wednesday during an interface with the Senate Committee on Finance, said the printing of the naira in trillions was carried out without any corresponding productive activities. That the consequences of the 8 years of printing money without productivity is the high inflation confronting the country now. The Senate had 2 weeks ago resolved to probe the 30 trillion ways and means overdrafted, obtained, and spent by President Muhammadu Buhari's administrations. Honestly, Nigeria are very angry with President Tinubu that Buhari is bad, but they know that he's very bad. that President Bola Tinubu should not make him an scapegoat for the clueless and ignorance of him, that Buhari is 10 times better than him in economics, that President Bola Tinubu removed subsidy on the first day his illegitimate government was inaugurated, and so his poor implementation of subsidy removal is the cause of the current hardship, that he didn't find out if indeed subsidy is a scam. Rather, he went ahead and announced the removal of the subsidy without doing anything, and unfortunately subsidy is back again now, but the harm has been done. President Bola Tinubu is there wasting everybody's time, that he's now looking for an scapegoat in President Muhammad Buhari to blame for his incompetency. Yes, Buhari did all that, but Nigeria was not in this condition where he left. Why can't they all accept the truth? Because assuming President Bola Tinubu take the necessary step before announcing the removal of subsidy, things wouldn't have been the same. But you all don't want to accept that because of his clueless behavior, make him announce that, and today subsidy is back and the masses are suffering. If Buhari is the cause, let them hold him and tell him to give a proper audit for all the money borrowed and money printed out. Corruption has made Nigerians a laughing thing across the world. That is the truth. Nobody is being questioned for economic sabotage, APC and blaming games. The same people sold Buhari to Nigerians. After all their revelation, they will fail Nigerians by not probing the Buhari regime to recover all the money. These are the same people who make the new Naira note not to work because of election. Everything in Nigeria is unfortunate. The new Naira note was actually a good thing for the country, but the greedy ones make the effort look useless and frustrating. It's a pity this government just play game with people's life. Let's look at it from a broader perspective. The policy was to print new Naira notes so that the old notes will be phased out. But, well, you can say the timing was bad. But our courts and political leaders decide that both the old and new note should coexist together. Don't forget all the policies of the then government to mob up all the old Naira note. Then it even affected us to the point that we had to buy the new Naira note for use. Now we have excess cash in circulation and you are blaming President Muhammad Buhari. Our courts at times lack the technical knowledge, application and implication when pronouncing these rulings. Most of the times, it's to please the political class who use them to score cheap public points. Honestly, I still don't understand why they are yet to hold and prosecute people who caused this country this similar suffering. People need to be held accountable for their actions and punishments serve as detriment so that this will not repeat itself again. We can't continue to go on like this, and no one should be punished for their actions. Things really need to change, and our laws and constitution need to make amendments for the kind of atrocity and punishment liable and upheld duly. Honestly, we can't continue like this. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Like on your awareness, stay safe guys. Bye.